Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you a video from our Bristol branch, but I thought the car was mentioned to me and I was like, wow, it's going to be a cool car. It's a car from my era and it's a BMW E38 728i, and that's basically a big 7 Series that looks so much like a gangster car. That's exactly why I wanted to show it to you, and it's got chrome bits and everything. But anyway, the car came to us a little bit worn is the best way to describe it, and it needed a bit of TLC. And I think the best thing to do is to really show you guys what we've done to it. But to give you a brief, a bit of paint correction, a bit of repainting in certain areas, and also some trim removal and trim replacement and things like that. So it was a bit of a cosmetic restoration and a bit of detailing with coatings. But I think it's something that you're going to want to see because the transformation is quite large. Actually, at the end of the video, I'm also going to give you some facts about the car, but there's also going to be a giveaway for one of these cases. I'm going to let you know exactly what you need to do in order to enter the giveaway. The cases have just come back into stock, so I want to give one away to one of you guys. So catch up with you guys at the end of the video. And there you have it, guys. That was a video of the 7 Series being spruced up. Actually, it's a bit more than a spruce up because it came out phenomenal. It came out amazing. And the green, honestly, it's got metallic in it. I'm sure you can see it on the camera. It looks phenomenal. It absolutely looks phenomenal. I think once, with these kind of cars, once you go through so many small details, it actually makes the whole car look 1,000 times better than it was before. And what makes this car quite cool is that, which I didn't know, actually Thomas just told me now, so this generation car was actually in the James Bond movie. Yeah, that's right, I didn't even know that. Apparently Pierce Brosnan was sitting in the back with the remote control and driving the car around, shooting stuff out of the car. So I didn't even know that, so I'm gonna have a look at that. But anyway, the car itself is a phenomenal looking car. It's a very, very gangster-esque looking car. You know, with BMW with 7 Series, it's a flagship model, so they try to really make sure that they put every bit of technology they can. This came out in the 1990s, so there's some stuff that you get now standard wasn't standard back then. It was actually a revelation in some aspects. Things like self-leveling xenon headlights, things like auto comfort seats where they're just basically depending on which way your car's moving. Things like rain sensing wipers, double glazed windows, an airbag system that if you get a side impact then your head is protected. Things like just random bits and bobs that you sort of expect to be standard now actually was an option or was an innovation back then. So it's actually quite cool to see that. And BMW are quite good at doing that. They're very, very good at innovating, especially with their flagship models. But anyway, that's that on the car. That's what I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed that. But what I am going to be talking to you about now is the competition. So the competition is to win one of these. These just come back into stock after a while of them being out of stock due to production issues. And when we had these in stock, they ran out very quickly. And essentially, you'll get all the bits that you need to be able to maintain your car once it's been treated with us. That's the idea with these packs. Now, I'm going to give this away, and to be able to win this pack, we're going to be basically running the competition on our Instagram channel. But what I'd like you to do, I'm going to be putting everything in the description anyway, but what I'd like you to do is make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our Instagram, and then write a comment down below to say that those things have been done. And also just make sure you tell your friends about it, because I think this is going to be a cool thing to get. So we're going to let people know what who the winner is, and we're going to just do it. I'm going to do it randomly, and we'll just choose that. So yeah, and this is a cool case that you can win as a little competition. So anyway, I hope you liked that video, and yeah, and hope whoever wins this is going to enjoy it. But I'll let you know who has won that once you put your comments down below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll catch you on the next one.